Hello.
How you doing?
I'm really good, thank you.
11 months of braces.
Yes.
How did you feel about your teeth before we started the
Before we
braces?
started. Just self-conscious, really.
Okay.
And my girlfriend's got amazing teeth, and I want to have equally good teeth, and be able to smile together. And hopefully we've achieved that.
Hopefully we have. So 11 months, 1 month earlier than what we predicted, is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
So here's a mirror. Let me show you what it looks like. You tell me what you think.
Go for it. Wow. That is absolutely incredible. If I wasn't on video, I'd swear. Wow.
And you're on the screen in front of you is your befores.
Yep.
So, yeah.
Night and day.
How's this going to change for you going forward?
Enormously. I can't wait to show my friends and family, obviously.
Perfect.
And the difference is just incredible.
Perfect.
You and your staff have done an unbelievable job. And,
You've kept up with it as well, seeing us. So.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Works
yeah,
hand in
it's not
hand.
easy, but all your staff, from the first appointment with Louise and the assessment, right through to now.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Thank you.